So this is how you register for all GRNMA webinars. So mostly a link will be sent to you. You tap on the link and you do the registration. So follow me as I do that. So you look for the link. So mostly you might find the link on the WhatsApp platforms. So when I open my district WhatsApp platform, I have this webinar here. These are very important webinars you don't have to miss. So you quickly just tap on the link, okay? You see they are saying register in advance for this meeting. So you just tap on the link. When you tap on the link, it loads up and brings you here. So what you need to do is to simply put in your first name, you put in your last name, your email, then here you put in your PIN. This PIN is on your ID, okay? If you look at your PIN or your IN, your nurse's PIN, so just pick your ID card and you can get the number on it. So I'll put in my So I have my PIN inputted now. Then I put in my NMC registration number. This number is also on your ID card, your PIN. So you see on the card, just above the PIN itself, you see we have reg.no. That is your registration number. So make sure you write the whole thing. Don't go and write just the numbers. Write the whole thing that is there. So mine is RJN. Then I have these numbers. So after putting your registration number, you enter your staff ID. I have my staff ID inputted. Then you select the last part where they're asking whether you're a member of GRNMA or not. So I am a proud member, so I just select yes. So after doing all this, you now tap on register. It loads up, and finally you have registered for this important webinar. Now, after registering, you need to go to your email, the email you use in registering. They will send you the link that you can use to join the Zoom. Okay, so I'll go to my email. And you can see I have my email in GRNMA webinar confirmation. I just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it opens this way for you. And here you can see you're saying hello, Simon, KOMBIAN. Then we have the registration, the passcode, the meeting ID, and all that. So tomorrow or when the meeting will be starting, just go to your email, then you tap on this link. Tap join meeting. When you tap on it, it will take you to Zoom. But please make sure you have always downloaded Zoom on Play Store or App Store on your phone and you have logged in. Once you get this, you tap on join meeting. So it opens this way for you. So currently, you see they are telling me webinar is scheduled at 3 o'clock p.m. on Wednesday, October 22nd. So any meeting that you are joining or any webinar you are joining, if you register and you tap the link, trying to join the meeting prior to when the meeting actually starts, you mostly encounter this feedback, right? So when it is time and you register, you tap on the link, it will take you straight forward to the meeting. So thank you so much, and please stay tuned for more content. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this, and share with other colleagues.